Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan rasipi da ka umsingam beats aqua na molai moro hakajingdap sunsnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One bantiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go batamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Ka Tnat Forest and Environment jong ka sarkar jalla ya menta kadang penlong ya ka jing Tohkit ka babnya bin pabin Shwa ban shim ya ka rai nang ka benta ban Siew ya ka Bailutksan Shah uba Rajesh Khongpai ubala saupus nem kerta ubala Shah trot haka Dngiem hakini ki khendiat sngi haka snong Pungweikian ka badan sharum ka snong maukliao ka baham haka thain pun ursla East Khasi Hills District. Menteri jong ka Tnat Forest and Environment ka sarkar jilla James PK Sangma habaya keren bat ka Batisi TV ula penpau ya ka jing sngosi halor kani ka jing jia bat ula ongru bakani ka dei ka jing ka ba ka sarkar ka yekendo khamtam ha ka baya dei bat ka jing takho hapadeng ki breu bat ki marat kumban supentip hangne uba Rajesh Khongpai udon menta hapadeng ka jing Shah Sumar ha Shillong Civil Hospital hadin be ki pat ba bat ki ba hayeng hasem kila wan kit no shanong ba Shillong hadin kani ka jing jia.
It's very unfortunate that there are many cases and instances of human-animal conflict, and this is a very big concern for me. I've always raised this issue even as a legislator in the assembly while I was in the opposition also, and I think we need to find a very fine balance between humans and animals to have mutual respect and to learn how to peacefully coexist. And it's very challenging. Why? Because human population is growing, animal habitat is sadly on the decline, and there are very few places now left for animals to live peacefully without any kind of human interference. And this is a very big challenge, not just in Meghalaya, all over the world. And we are looking at how we can make sure that coexistence is more peaceful, and thereby we can bring down these kind of incidences where humans and animals come into conflict. So it's a very big issue. This is one incident, but there are many instances where these kind of things keep happening. Some are reported, some go unreported. But we feel that we need to find a balance. The law is very clear. Those animals which are endangered or critically endangered, they are protected under the law. And as I was saying, that this is something that is finding more and more cases keep coming up every now and then, and I think it's about a long-term solution, and we need to look at how we plan out things for the future to reduce such things, because at the end human population is increasing, as I said, and we need to find ways by which we just make sure that the conflict between the two we can bring it down by peaceful coexistence.